Hello guys, welcome back to my video, and today in this video I will show you how to download locally resume your locally resume from mobile phone. Okay, so if you are using smartphone, then how you can properly download your resume, locally resume. Okay, so let's start. So first remember to open your profile from Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome browser if you have. Okay, first visit your locally profile. Where is my locally profile? So this is my locally profile. If your profile is not appearing here in the search result on the Google, then you can obviously type your URL, right? That the URL you get from your this one. Okay, from locally. Okay, this kind of URL you can type directly, but here mine URL is already visible here, so I don't need to do it. I will just click here and open it. Okay, remember open it on your Chrome browser. Okay, so just wait a little bit. Okay, so here now what you have to do is, it is by default dark theme. Okay, this is dark. Okay, so if you create in this way, it will, I don't like dark resume. Okay, so I want to download white color. Okay, I want to make all this white color, so I have to click it here. There is a small sun like icon. When I click it here, it become a light theme. Okay, light background. Now my themes is, my resume will come in white color, white background. Okay, so now what happen is, when we download in this way, okay, now your resume is in a mobile version. So it will just give you PDF of mobile version. Okay, yeah, so this mobile version is not good to build in PDF, right? So what you have to do is, you have to convert this into desktop mode. Okay, so you have to convert this into desktop mode. For that, you just have to click here. Okay, just click here, and after this you will have to click here, desktop site. Okay, when you click here, it looks like a desktop version. Okay, so it is much better. Okay, this design is much better, right? And I advise you, if you had a laptop, then you do it from your laptop. Okay, because from the laptop you will have a better design. Okay, because this PDF will download the visuals only. Okay, like this is the visual like this. Now our resume will come out the same design that we see here. Okay, so it's better if you download from the laptop. Okay, so but if you don't have laptop, then you have to enable your desktop mode from your Google Chrome. Okay, and then you have to click on the PDF here. Okay, now it will start downloading our resume. Okay, I will click it. Just wait for some second, some 10-20 seconds. It is processing. Okay, it will be automatically download to your mobile phone. Just wait a little bit. I think it is processing. Yeah, it is downloaded. So here it is downloaded again. Okay, the file is downloaded. Let's open it. Open with the drive PDF. All right, now it looks like this. Okay, so it is much better. Okay, so now it looks much better, okay, than previous one. Okay, so in this way, this is the correct way for downloading your PDF from locally resume builder. Okay, so that's it guys for today. Thank you for watching.